Good morning, everybody. So this is going to be a quick 5-minute tutorial on how to utilize something like Google Scholar, ERIC, even just Google, as you are searching for articles, and then what to do when you hit the wall of, oh, it's telling me that I need to pay in order to get the full text. I feel like this probably should have been a tutorial that we included in the course in the very beginning, but now looking at the themes that I'm seeing throughout all of your emails in the past week and even your discussion board posts, I have a feeling that this is something needed. All right, so I'm going to show you how, if we're using ERIC, you could be using Google, Google Scholar, whatever you're using to search. So I'm putting in a topic that is actually one of y'all's topics. And let's say that I really like the look of this title. It sounds interesting to me. If I were to click on it just in ERIC, ERIC can't give me the full text here. You can see it gives you the abstract, but if I were to click on like direct link and it prompts me to go outside of ERIC, I'm going to go to something like Taylor and Francis, which is one of the many repositories for research articles. And it's going to give me the abstract too. But again, if I try to click on full article, I'm not going to get it. It's going to pull me down here and say, you need to purchase for $43. This is where you need to utilize USC Upstate's full text finder. Okay, so let's say I know the journal article is Journal of Latinos in Education. I'm going to go to that library resources page and click on full text finder. And I'm going to put in the title, Journal of Latinos in Education. And there it is. So from here, you're going to get full text access from any of these three repositories. It really doesn't matter which one you choose. However, sometimes one of these collections will start back in 1998, while another one will start back in 2006. So if you know the date, the year of the article you're looking for, make sure whichever one you're choosing spans that time frame. So I'm going to click on one of these. I'm going to go back to that article and double check. Okay, it was in year 2016, volume 15, issue 3. So here is all of the issues. Here are all of the issues that this repository holds for this journal. So I'm going to go to 2016. I'm going to go to volume 15, issue 3. And it is going to pull up all of those articles from that journal. If I scroll down, there it is. And I can either click on that link and click the pull PDF full text on the left-hand side, and it will pull it up for me to either print or download. Or when you're looking at all of these results, you can just click on PDF full text and it will do the same thing. It will pull it up in a separate screen for you to either print or download. So just to recap, using ERIC or Google Scholar or just Google as you are searching and finding articles, and they tend to bring you to something like Taylor and Francis Online, where it will give you the abstract but forces you to log in or to purchase, that is where you need to use that full text finder and find the journal, find the year, find the article, and that way you have it for free. As always, you can continue to email me if you are having trouble finding articles, but I have a feeling that this is going to open up at least some for some of you. But feel free to still email me if you're having issues, and I will help as best I can. All right, you guys have a great Tuesday.